Hello everyone. Today we will briefly discuss the Kadena technical grants process. Kadena is committed to delivering the industry-leading hybrid blockchain platform to service the emerging digital economy. Kadena has launched the world's fastest Layer 1 proof-of-work network and is now introducing technical grants to foster the development and adoption of the Kadena ecosystem. Technical grants fund projects that support the growth of Kadena's ecosystem by lowering barriers to entry, providing novel uses, opening new markets, and more. The grants encourage innovation through prompt and unprompt grants categories, and they reward participants that deliver results. The process is divided into two phases: the grant application phase and the grant delivery phase. Each one of these phases has a couple of steps. The grant application phase involves determining the focus area of the project, submitting the project application, review of the application by the Kadena committee, mutual agreement between the developer and Kadena. The grant delivery phase involves reporting milestones in progress, completion of the project, and reward distribution. Let's take a look at these steps. The most important part of determining the focus area of the project is understanding prompt versus unprompt categories. These are prompt categories by Kadena: DeFi, blockchain interoperability, developer tools, analytic services, wallet development, dApps, and smart contracts. If your project does not fall within these categories, do not worry. Just follow the procedure for submitting an unprompt category application, which will be shown later on. Applications may be submitted in one of three different ways: fully public, partially public, and fully private. For more information on this, please email build@kadena.io. This is the same email used to submit private applications or partially public applications. Let's take a look at some of the info required on the application template. Summary of the project, team backgrounds and experience, development roadmap. Some additional information on the practicality and longevity of your project will be needed. To submit the application, simply fork this repo, which will be shown in the description, and then create a pull request. Review of the application. Kadena's Grant Review Committee will inquire about the application if it is needed to make a decision. Approximately after 4 weeks of receiving the application, Kadena will notify application team leads if their project has been accepted for grants funding. Mutual agreement and milestone reporting. A contract will be given that specifies project details after acceptance, and the team will enter into a mutual agreement with Kadena. You must report when an advancement on the project has been initiated. It is necessary for those who are accepted for grants to deliver milestone progress reports per the cadence defined in the development roadmap section of their original application. These reports should be submitted by email to build@kadena.io following the format of the milestone progress report template below. This template can be found in the Medium article or in the GitHub. Completion and reward distribution. Kadena will deliver the final lump sum rewards as mutually agreed after execution of deliverables in all aspects of the project. All grant funds will be dispersed in KDA tokens at a fair exchange rate to meet the grant USD equivalent value. It is then up to the developer if they want to exchange it for any other crypto or stablecoin. Getting started. Getting started is easy. To start from scratch, run some simple commands on the terminal, or you can choose to fork an existing repo. As a bonus, Kadena also offers a developer program. The developer program offers dedicated technical support, which includes access to live support channels with Kadena core developers and packed smart contract authors, 10,000 free transactions, dApp launch marketing. This is really for maximum support. The program is for developers who intend to launch applications on Kadena. It opens professional developers and organizations as well as enthusiasts and students. To enroll, please look at the link in the description. I will now show you how to submit an unprompt grant application. As you can see, I have pre-filled an unprompt application, which I will simply copy and paste. A raw technical grant template will be provided in the description. To submit an application, you must fork the Kadena.io technical grants repo. As such, just click fork on the upper right once you're on it. I will fork it to my account. It will take a couple of seconds. Great. Go into the grants folder now that it's in my account. If it were prompt, you go here, but I am showing how to submit an unprompt project, which will go here. You must edit this doc.md file. To edit, simply click this pencil, and I will paste my pre-filled application. Let's see how this looks like. This is approximately what it will look like. Let's change this name to tutorial app.md. Commit these changes. Great. Now we must create the pull request. New pull request. GitHub automatically detects it. Create pull request. Please fund my project. Create pull request. And that is how you submit an unprompt application. I hope you enjoy building on Kadena.